Multiply 6.5 by 13 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 6 plus the carried 1 is 19. The first partial product is 195. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. The second partial product is 650. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 8. The whole negative number product is 845. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 845 becomes 84.5. So 6.5 times 13 is 84.5.